Alright guys, here we have a battery replacement on a Back-UPS 550. First we're going to want to unplug the unit. And this is a Back-UPS 550. And if you flip the unit over, you're going to see the model number BE550G. You're going to see it here, and it's also going to be listed down here. So just to verify that. On the back of the unit there's going to be a battery compartment. And if you press down right here and pull back on this battery door, it's going to reveal the inside battery. And from here we can kind of tip the unit up, kind of use gravity to get it out of there. And then we're going to want to disconnect the wires that are connected to that battery. So here I'm disconnecting the red one and also the black one. And this is that APC RBC replacement battery that's gone bad. We're going to set that aside. And I've purchased this battery as a replacement. And this battery is a VG battery VB7-12. And if we take this battery out, you can see the install is really simple here. It's the same size battery. It's going to give years of service. So what we're going to want to do is hook up the black connector first. You can do whatever feels comfortable. I like to flip it on the back. And we're going to connect the black wire to the black terminal. And you'll kind of hear that click on there. And then we've got the red wire. And it gets a little tricky, but it slides on there pretty good. Once those are secure, simply flip the battery over, put it back into the compartment. You take the battery door, and there's some channels. You're just going to want to line those up, push it till it clicks, and that's it. And you can flip the unit over and plug that unit back in. We're going to press the power button. And what these units do is they go through a battery test. So that's why you can see that green light flashing there. That is testing the battery to make sure it's good. And in a second here, it's going to turn solid green. And that's it.